Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Bert Dohemn with a chart predictor. Let's take a look at the economy right now. As you know, that Wall Street has been very optimistic on the economy, while we have been very pessimistic. And this is a chart from the Atlanta Federal Reserve. And this is their forecast. Actually, they are the more bearish ones on the economy of all the Federal Reserve districts. Here we can see the blue chip economists. This is a group of economists, the best known economists that someone gathers their forecasts. And at the beginning of January, you can see the range of their forecasts were for 2 to 3% GDP growth for the first quarter of the year. Okay, so you can see that it's remained pretty steady, but on a downtrend. Now, at the same time here, we were forecasting a negative growth, actually below zero, for the first quarter. And that was, of course, much too bearish for economists, but we have an advantage here because we're not economists. So we can see now what happened to the forecast. The green line is what the Atlanta Fed has been forecasting at the different times. Here you can see middle of February they were forecasting about 2.7% growth in GDP. Then they started getting more negative, meaning more realistic. And you can see here how in late March their forecast just started plunging as the bad numbers started coming in. And now they're forecasting 0.1% GDP growth for the first quarter. That is barely above zero. In my opinion, I have a suspicion that they actually would have loved to be more realistic and predict negative growth, but they don't want to get anybody too upset, so they managed to squeeze in 0.1%. After all, it's all guesswork anyway. So we can see here that the blue chip economists, these are the guys with the big college degrees in economics, and how wrong they have actually been. Okay, this is Bert Dohemn signing off for now. If you want to get continuous updates on our economic forecast, get the Wellington letter. It comes out about 2 to 4 times per month, and it gives you absolutely the best forecast that you will find anywhere. And usually our forecasts are totally different than what you normally hear. Thank you very much for joining us today.